Welcome to the Ray Shikshan Sanstha's Western Region English Medium video series. Today we are going to learn about subject History and Civics Standard 6 lesson number first the Indian subcontinent and history video number second. Dear student, in the last video we have learned about geographical conditions and history. Today we are going to learn about geographical features of India. Our country, India extends far and wide at its north line, the Himalayas, to the east, the Bay of Bengal, to the west, the Arabian Sea, and to the south, the Indian Ocean. Except for the island of Andaman Nicobar and Lakshadweep, the rest of the country is contiguous. First one point Himalayas. The Hindu Kush and Himalayas ranges have created an impenetrable wall on the northern side of the Indian subcontinent. This wall has separated the Indian subcontinent from the desert of Central Asia. However, there is a land route through the Khyber and Balloon passes in the Hindu Kush mountains. The plan of the Sindhu, Ganga, Brahmaputras. This region consists of the basin of the three big rivers Sindhu, Ganga, Brahmaputras and tributaries. This region extends from Sindhu, Punjab in the west of the present day Bangladesh in the east. It was in this region that earliest Indian civilization of Harappan and the later state and empire of ancient India emerged. The Thar Desert. The Thar Desert spread across Rajasthan, Haryana, and some part of Gujarat. The Ghaggar River that originated in Himachal Pradesh reaches the Thar Desert. The Deccan Plateau. This region between east and the west coast of India tapers of the south. This region has the Arabian Sea to its west, the Indian Ocean to its south, and the Bay of Bengal to its east. A region thus bound by the sea on three sides is called a peninsula. A major part of the Indian peninsula is occupied by the Deccan Plateau. The mountain ranges of the Vindhya and Satpura are located to the north of the Deccan Plateau. The Sahyadri Mountains ranges are to its west. They are also known as the Western Ghats. To the west of the Sahyadri is the coastal region of Konkan and Malabar. The mountains on the eastern side of the Deccan Plateau are known as the Eastern Ghat. Deccan Plateau has fertile land where many post-Harappan agrarian cultures flourished. Deccan Plateau was a part of the Maurya Empire, the largest in ancient India. The coastal regions. The time of the Harappan civilization, ancient India had trade relations with the Western countries. This trend was carried on by seas. Therefore, India had developed contact and interrogation with foreign cultures and people at the sea parts. These cities of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro are in the today's Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and India together from the region known as South Asia. Considering the expanse and significance of the India in this region, it is known as the Indian subcontinent. Thank you.